Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the KARMIN Professional 5-in-1 wet and dry shaver slash epilator. So if you guys are excited to see what's in this box and see me epilate myself for the first time, stay tuned for the rest of the video. First of all, I just want to show you guys the packaging really quick because it is so beautiful. I love that it is sleek and white. The box is very like sturdy, and then it has this gold detail that says KARMIN Professional down here, 5-in-1 wet and dry epilator shaver. So when you get it, you're going to want to open it and just dive right in. So excited. But if you lift up, you're going to want to lift this up, and you will see that there is your product registration number certificate and then your manual. So you'll want to read through your little manual. I've already done that for you guys. Side note, if you guys do hear some noise in the background, I have my baby right beside me in her walker. She's playing. So anyways, first of all, you have your base and the epilator itself, which we're going to get into. I'm going to show you guys a demo on my arm. But first it has like a little guard on it. So if you need to epilate a smaller area, like your bikini line or something like that, you would use this guard, but it clicks right off. And then you have the full base of the epilator. Every attachment has 2 speeds with the power button right here. So here's speed 1 and here's speed 2. Stay tuned to the end, you guys, because I'm going to show you a demo of this and it should be pretty entertaining. Okay, so I'm just going to click back on this guard for now, show you guys how to remove the attachments. So on the back, you can't see it, I don't think, but there is a little white button here and that clicks off the attachment. And then, so for the next attachment, there is the little massager head. So this is the body massager head. But it also feels really good if you just like set it on your face. Anyways, so here is speed 1 and then speed 2. Okay, and then leaving this attachment on, you just pull off the massage head and you can put on the exfoliating body brush. So it has a little guard on it as well. 2 different lengths of bristles. They are fairly soft, but when it gets spinning, it does do like a nice gentle exfoliation on your skin. It does note in the instructions not to use it on your face, but to each their own, right? Because that's exactly where I'm going to be using it, and I'm excited about it. Then when you want to remove this whole attachment to put on a brand new one, just click it off. The next attachment they have is the callus remover. So, and it comes with a little guard on it. It does have a fairly gritty surface, which I love because I do have pretty calloused feet. So what I would suggest for using this attachment is soak your foot, elbow, wherever your calloused area is, soak that first so that your skin is dried off, but it'll help remove more of the dead skin if you do it after your foot has been soaked. So that's just my little tip. And then last but not least, there is the shaving head. So excited about this one. So it does have, first I'll show you guys this. So this is the regular electric razor part. So it has a 2 little trimmers and then the electric shaver. Awesome for arms, legs, bikini line. I'm also going to be using this for my face because I do get a smoother makeup application after I shave off all of my little like peach fuzz, but that is just personal preference. Also, you guys, I just want to note that it is a myth if you do, because I get this all the time because I tell people I shave my face and then they're like, doesn't your hair grow back thicker? It doesn't. That is a myth. I am a hairdresser. That is a complete myth. You only have as many hair follicles as you're going to have. You're not going to produce more, and shaving it is not going to make a thicker hair strand grow out. You'll only grow genetically what kind of hair you grow. Shaving it off isn't going to change your genetics, but it does create a blunt hair rather than a tapered off hair that you would have if you just had your regular peach fuzz on your face. If you do decide that shaving your face or shaving wherever isn't for you, it will eventually taper off into that softer, kind of more fluffy kind of feel. So I just wanted to clear that up because I knew there would be lots of questions on that. So then there is this attachment. So why you want an attachment is because this is going to make the hair that you are going to epilate the 1/8 of an inch, which is recommended for best results. So let's say you want to epilate your leg hairs, but your leg hairs have kind of gotten out of control. So you would just put on this attachment, pre-shave your legs with this attachment, so it is the length for best results, then go over and epilate. And then your next question might be like, if you're gonna shave it, why would you go back and epilate it? You'll get a longer, much like waxing or sugaring or anything else like that that rips the hair right out at the root. You will get smoother results for a longer period of time because it has to grow back right from the base rather than from your skin. So it's the hair, think of the hair follicle like this, and this is the top of your skin. It starts growing way down here and then up. Rather, when you shave it just right off at the surface of your skin, so it starts growing right from here. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now for the demonstration. I was gonna show you guys on my arm, just because it's a little bit more convenient than trying to get my leg up in the shot. Okay, so if you guys can see, I do have fairly hairy arms, but it is blonde, so it's kind of hard to see. I hope you guys can get that. Okay, so first of all, we're just gonna run this against the grain of my hair. I'm going to take off my scrunchie and my watch. Okay, you can put it on speed 1 or speed 2. Once you have all of the hair to that 1/8 of an inch, whew, I'm just starting to sweat thinking about this. Okay, so it says for a less painful epilation, you can do it wet or dry, but for less painful, do it on wet skin, it says. So freshly out of the shower, towel dried off, epilate that way, and it will come out more smoother, less painful. I showered just a little bit ago, but it has been about an hour or so. I guess one more thing I should point out is that it does say to hold the head so that it's like straight up and down on the skin surface. And also you don't want to put a lot of pressure. You just want to have it skimming the surface of your skin rather than pressing down with firm pressure, because that will cause the base to overheat. So here we go. Speed 1. Let's try speed 1 first. I'm so scared. Oh. Okay, when you first put it on, it doesn't feel amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Let's put it, but then it kind of like I quickly got used to it. So it's not too bad. You can see little hairs go, oh, it's tender right there. So I'm just gonna show you guys this. You can see little hairs here. It is looking bald in that area that I ran it across. I'm gonna try it on speed 2. Okay, on your arm, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It hurts at first. I did prefer speed 1 over speed 2. Speed 2 is just a little intense for me. You can see all the hairs on the attachment, so it's doing its job. I did notice that I had to like kind of go like this over the area a couple times. Like it's not just like boom, pull it over once and it's done. You kind of have to like go back over the area, not a big deal. And so basically these little tiny silver things here spin around, and that is what, it's like a whole bunch of little tweezers plucking the hairs out of your skin. The things we do for beauty. And then when you're all done, it comes with this little brush. So just take and dust out all the hairs to prevent it from getting clogged. And then when you're done, take and toss it on the charger, get it all fully charged back up for the next time you go to use it. So yeah, that is the 5-in-1 wet dry shaver epilator from KARMIN Professional. I love it. Thanks again to them for sending this to me to try. I do really enjoy it. So if you guys do decide to order, make sure you guys use my discount code. It is Jami15. I'll post it right here for you guys, as well as down in the description box, along with their website where you guys can order this and check out any other of their tools. I do have their flat iron as well, and I really love it. If you guys want to check that video out, I will post it right here. And you guys can come back and just click this little card here. I think that this would make a really awesome gift, especially with it being around the holiday season. I would probably get this. You could toss in like some fluffy slippers and a robe and maybe like a mask or something like that. And I think that that would make a really awesome present for somebody. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram and Like to Know It. I will have that posted down in the description box. I have been posting lots of other gift buying ideas and things like that that I think you guys might enjoy. So on that note, I'm going to pick up my impatiently waiting baby, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.